Jackson requested paternity testing. After repeated requirements of mother, she finally cooperated with it. Don't know why it took so long, but she certainly was not cooperative to begin with. Mr. Jackson was found to be the father. Are you objecting to entry of that paternity order, Ms. Palto?
We are not, Your Honor.
Right. May 31st of 2024, there's an order that says, per the sworn testimony of the defendant, your client, on May 31st, the plaintiff, Martell Jackson, is not the legal or biological father of the minor child, as there is no affidavit of parentage or DNA and stuff like that. I don't know how she testified that he's not the biological father when in fact he is the biological father. So I'm just warning you, her word isn't particularly good right now. All right, the credibility is lacking.
So even after a DNA test, this pathetic liar is still testifying that he is not the biological father. Yet another reason why paternity testing should be required at birth. But props to this man for trying to be an active father, and props to the judge for calling out her malarkey. Now we're going to hear details of who took care of the child prior to this case.
Yeah, our understanding is that the minor child has been residing exclusively with mother since the court ordered in May. And
where was the child residing before that?
prior was residing with Mr. Jackson.
Yeah, all right. Second, he had the child, and then she did everything she could not to have him tested. All right. She even testified that he's not the biological. I know she was there when she became pregnant. All right. And for her to come in and say that he's not the biological father is very bothersome. Then, like I say, then he comes in and just says, look, I want to be tested. I want to be tested. And he had to file another motion, even though she was ordered to be tested. And she didn't do it. All right. I find her conduct to be rather bothersome and
yes.
basically contemptuous at times. I'm not just going to give the child to him right now. I'll tell you that. He hasn't seen the child, but I'm going to give him some time starting right now that he's going to get the child so that he can start building that relationship with that child. All right, we're going to start out, and for the next 2 weeks, I'm going to, Mr. Jackson, you can see the child this Saturday from 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock.
Yeah, I got Lele back. So I'll get her at 10 o'clock tomorrow. Yeah. Mama, I got Lele back. I'll get her at 10 o'clock tomorrow.